Introducing the Fullstar Immersion Blender, your kitchen's new best friend for creating culinary masterpieces effortlessly. This 3-in-1 powerhouse brings versatility to your cooking experience with a blending arm, a whisk, and a frother. Say hello to your new go-to tool for making drinks, sauces, and more. With its 500-watt motor, the Fullstar Immersion Blender is a force to be reckoned with. It blends, mixes, purees, and whips all your favorite ingredients in seconds, giving you the power to create silky smooth sauces and batters. Worried about scratches on your pans? We've got you covered with our silicone pan protector. It ensures that your cookware stays in top condition. With 9 speed settings, including a turbo speed option, you have full control at your fingertips. It's as easy as plugging in the blender, pressing the low speed button, and turning the control knob to your desired speed. Need an extra burst of power? Just hit the turbo button. We've included everything you need for a seamless blending experience. Swap attachments effortlessly, and you're ready to tackle any recipe that comes your way. From silky smoothies to savory sauces and heavenly whipped cream, the Fullstar Immersion Blender can do it all. It's the ultimate kitchen companion that will elevate your culinary skills to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just getting started in the kitchen, this immersion blender is designed for everyone. It's the perfect gift for home chefs who want to turn their culinary dreams into reality. Say goodbye to lumpy sauces and batter mishaps. Say hello to a world of delicious possibilities with the Fullstar Immersion Blender. Elevate your cooking game today. Get your Fullstar Immersion Blender now and experience the difference.